like some cold nights, yeah. She looking at me, telling me she gon' be alright. Said, yeah, I'ma hold on tight. She said, yeah, I'ma hold on tight. But I'ma keep on trying till it all goes bad. I got some brothers who ain't make it yet, it's just so sad. My team grinding and grinding, yeah, we just all in our...
What's up, everybody? Updating you on the 69 Roadrunner, bud. So, we're about to pull the motor. Long story short, the last year I was sitting outside one of the vents on the air grabber hood. I believe it was this vent right here. Was open. Therefore it filled the motor full of water. We drained the oil, and it was all water, a little bit of oil on top. So this motor's got to come out, and we got to see what's going on with it. I'm sure it's locked up. It's not turning over. Cylinders are probably rusted. So we're gonna get this thing pulled out and see what's going on. But you can see we got it all taken apart. See that big old 426, freaking elephant. But we also got the interior yanked out. You can see this. No longer smells. No more mold. Everything's in good shape. Everything's in good shape. It's got some service rust, but nothing through. You can see this side. Floors. Mint. It looks pretty much brand new back there. But the trunk looked good. You can see we got everything back there. But we're working on getting everything cleaned up. We got to go through this motor. So, hey. We're gonna get this motor pulled out. I'm gonna have the GoPro on hooked up. So let's get it. Alright, the motor's out. It wasn't too bad. We ended up having to take off one of the manifolds to get past this steering gearbox right here. But you can see we got fluid everywhere and everything. But no, it's not too bad under here. Got a little rust issue right here. We'll clean that up. But no, looks good. Here's the motor. We got the 727 torque flight transmission, 426 hemi. They don't look too bad. Water pump. Where the oil filter goes. Starter. The oil pan was leaking a little bit. But no. Everything's looking alright. There's the original manifold. It came off real easy. But hey, project's going good. We're going to get this motor gone through. We might go through it. I don't know. We're debating on whether or not to paint it or not because it is original. We'll probably end up painting the motor. But hey, we found the broadcast sheet too under the back seat, which I'll put a picture of that right here. So that's cool. But hey, this is another update on the 69 Plymouth Roadrunner. So stay tuned.